Hi everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a new towel rack in your bathroom. This one I found on Amazon and I'll put the link in the description. This is an amazing towel rack. I believe it's Simon's is the brand, and it's a 24-inch towel bar that I found on Amazon. Best price, and after installing it, it's amazing quality. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes packed very well and it has all the tools and things you'll need to mount it on the wall, and of course it comes with instructions which are very easy to follow. One of the first things I got to do is actually disassemble this thing. It comes all together. It shows all the parts and measurements here that should be there, and it kind of comes fully assembled. These are the brackets that you will need to mount on the wall first. So the first thing we have to do is take the little Allen key and loosen the set screw. You can do it just like this. Just loosen that set screw, and then you can actually take off that mounting bracket. And this is what I'm going to kind of use to template the holes on the wall once I use this thing. And again, this is the key to my success. It's a laser level. I use this on all kinds of jobs. It's a necessity around the house. It's from TacLife. I'll put a link for this as well in the description. I did not believe how much I use this thing everywhere. But this is what it looks like. I can set up my level at the desired height that I chose, and I can just set it up on this tripod. I'll also put a link for that too, because it doesn't come with the level. But I use this thing for everything. I can set that, and I can then now decide my measurement between the screw holes. I like to double check, even though the instructions say. It does recommend a 5/16 drill bit hole for the drywall anchors. These are nice. You just put them right there after I use a template for the mounting brackets to drill the holes. You can set these drywall anchors in, and then you just come back with like this setting key. This is a different way I've seen it, but you take this little red key and you push it through the hole, and that actually sets the drywall anchor a little bit. It kind of tightens it up against the inside of the drywall, and then it will accept the screws a little bit better. You can see how perfectly even these holes and drywall anchors are set, all because of that laser level. Now we can go ahead and install the brackets. Again, these are very easy. I do use a power drill here, but be careful if you're using a power drill. When you're setting screws and anchors into drywall, you do not want to over tighten. So I would usually recommend tighten them by hand, but if you do, just be careful. And you can see with the laser level, it hits exactly in the center of both of these brackets. I used marks on the wall with pencil, and then I used these brackets as a template for the two holes for the anchor. And then make sure that little set spot on the brackets is on the bottom. You can then put your rack on top, set it on the top and tip it down. Sits over it nice and flush, and then all we have to do is tighten those set screws. You can see how level it is because of that laser level already. Once we have those set screws tightened all the way down, we are done. It's a very clean, flush, modern look. It's super strong, very sturdy. This thing ain't going nowhere. And you can see because of the laser level, it's perfectly level, easy on the eye. I love this thing. I use it all over the place. I didn't think I'd use it that much, but I use it everywhere. So now all we have to do is install another one of these in the master bathroom. So if you guys like the video and it's a little bit helpful, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I'm going to be doing all kinds of videos about things that we're doing around this new rental house that we're in. One of the things was installing new towel racks because it didn't come in the house. These were only, $20 or less. Depends on what kind of sale they have on Amazon. The link is in the description. These are great looking towel racks. Make sure you get yourself one. I would put these in our new house when we move in. But again, everything I use in this video is in the description. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next build.